Alright, today we're going to make a classic peanut butter and jelly sandwich. To start, you'll need a couple of things. You will need some peanut butter, some jam or jelly of your choice, 2 slices of bread, a butter knife, and I usually have a paper towel on hand just in case there's any messes or to clean the knife off. So, to start, we'll go with our peanut butter. Doesn't matter whether it's smooth or chunky, totally up to you. Spread the peanut butter on evenly. I usually like to put almost too much, so I will control myself in this video. Once you're done with that, take your knife. You can scrape off a little bit of the peanut butter right there. I then like to actually get the rest of the peanut butter off with the paper towel before I go to my jelly. Open up your jelly jar, pull out a little bit of that. This usually is a little more difficult. And spread it on your bread. Again, as much or as little as you would like. Once you have jelly on there, you can take a little bit off on here. Clean it off there. Then take your 2 slices, put them together, and there you have it. A peanut butter and jelly sandwich.